Honda Power Equipment just announced the release of their new mower, the HRN, at their 35th anniversary event in North Carolina. This new kid on the block replaces their top-selling mower, the HRR, and it has a few bells and whistles that any DIYer can fall in love with. One feature that stood out to me was the Smart Drive control. It was easy to use when I tested it, and there are 5 adjustable positions so you can set it to whatever is the most comfortable for you. Another standout feature was the dual lever height adjustment. On most mowers, you have to go to each wheel to adjust the cutting height, but on the HRN, you can adjust it on the front and back wheels on one side. They're super easy to adjust, very nice and smooth. What I think makes the HRN perfect for DIYers is that it's easy to maintain. There are considerably less parts in the HRN compared to its predecessor. There are no tools needed to remove the air cleaner, and the spark plug is easy to access. If you ever hit a tree stump or a large rock and it bends the crankshaft, it's not a headache to replace yourself. With the release of the HRN, it looks like Honda Power Equipment might just have another winner on its hands.